What's going on, y'all? I'm going to Oleum. I finally made my way down here. It's located downtown Baltimore. What I understand, it is only pickup and delivery only. I'm getting me a pizza. My mouth is watering. I'm gonna have to show y'all what it looks like once I get it, of course. But I'm really excited. This is actually one of our past clients that came here from Japan. I mean, she is not Japanese, but she was stationed in Japan for a little while. But anyway, she's here. I'm talking a lot. I can't wait to get in there and check the food out and see what's going on. Yeah, I got the goods. I ain't gonna make it home because it smells so good. I'm not just saying this because this is my past client, for real. And then this is a like honest review. I'm smiling because I finally made it. They delivered to me on DoorDash, but I didn't want to do them like that because I'm sure by the time it gets to me on DoorDash, it won't be as fresh. And it's kind of far from my house. They got the crushed reds in here. I absolutely love crushed reds in my pizza. So they let you do a half and half because I really didn't know which kind I wanted. This one is the Gabriel. It's actually named after her husband, which is cool. And this one is the pepperoni. So Amy's sitting in the car with me, and maybe Amy will try a slice of it.
Why would you say that?
She said, why would you say that? Amy's probably not going to try it. Amy be like anti-vegan pizza for whatever reason.
If I tried it, I would take everything off of it, and that's just not fair to the pizza.
It's not. All right, hold on. Let me get into this. Hang on. Yo, these pepperonis are thick. Oh, that's good. All right, let's get into it. So this one just looks like it's pepperoni and vegan cheese and some type of green sauce. I'll find out what that is and try to put it in the description. Look at that cheese pull. All right, come on. Let's get into it. Malted lava. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Oh, that's good. It's really hot, but it's really good. It's worth getting your tongue burnt. The bottom isn't like super like burnt or anything. The top got a nice little crunch on it. This is hot. Look at that. The cheese, it reminds me of like a Miyoko's, the pourable cheese, which is good. The crust, handmade, it's really thin, just like I like it. I don't like really doughy crust. You're allowed to talk. You ain't gotta be in the video, you can talk. How do you feel about like your crust? How do you like yours?
I like my crust fluffy.
Fluffy.
I like my crust. I like the back of the crust fluffy, and the actual flat part is like thin and crispy. Like New York style pizza.
This is definitely giving New York style pizza. I've never been to New York, but I feel like it's New York style. So I don't know if it's the sauce or this green sauce you put on it, but one of those sauces is really good. The Gabriel, it looked like it got some red onion, some type of sausage or chorizo, some sun-dried tomatoes, and that green sauce. Maybe some pesto. Maybe that's what it is. What do you think this green sauce is, right?
Like a salsa verde. Is that possible? Or is that guac? That looks like guacamole.
It's not guac. It's like it's a little spicy, got a little kick. I'm not sure what it is. I'll find out for you.
Salsa verde is spicy with a little kick. Right? But it's chunky.
This got like a lot of flavor. Like, can you try?
No, thank you.
The Gabriel is like, it's top 10. All right, so here's the crazy part, right? I came down for the pepperoni, but it was something about the Gabriel that just kind of called my name. I said, I gotta try it. If she named it after her husband, it gotta be fire. So let me try it. Didn't know what to expect with all the different colors. it got a ton of flavor. As soon as you bite it, boom, it just punches you with flavor. And it's like heavy loaded, and it don't feel heavy. Like, you get what I mean? Like, I remember eating meat lovers pizza back in the day. It don't feel like that. It's like it's an easy mouthfeel. Maybe I'll get my wife to try it. Maybe not. Let's get into it. She says she's been crazy busy. Hope she stays that way. I really admire her passion. All right. So here's the thing. You guys told me I only had to pick one. I'm going with the Gabriel. Both of them fire. Gabriel, I'm probably give it like a cool 9.7. Pepperoni boy right here, I'm gonna give it like a 9.5. There was who did I used to have the crown? I'm not even gonna bring up anybody else having the crown, and I promise you I'm not saying this because this is my past client, but this is probably going down for the best pizza in the city. This is the best pizza in the city. I like home slice. I ain't trying to start no beef, but this is hitting a little bit different layers than home slice was for me. So look, with that being said, I got about halfway through and I think I'm pretty much done. Take this home, heat it up later. So y'all know what to do. Eat grass, ass, like, subscribe. If you want to eat here at Oleum, I mean, let me chew my food. If you want to eat at Oleum, you're going to have to order online or order through DoorDash. They're delivery only right now. They're at the Stratford University, using that kitchen space until they get their own brick and mortar. So to support her dream, support her dream. Just go buy some of the food. It's well worth it. She told me she was bringing something different to the city. I invited her. I said, look, I've been vegan for a long time. I want some good different options. Let's see what you got. So I think the next time I come, I'm going to grab their Alfredo because the Alfredo look like it's probably fire. But anyway, till next time, I see you guys. Egress on ass. See you in the next video. Peace out.